Hi there, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography one 60-second photo tip at a time. Ever wonder why your photos look too blue or weirdly orange? That's white balance. And learning to control it is the fastest way to fix your colours and improve your photos instantly. White balance is how your camera sees light. It adjusts for warm or cool tones, aiming to make white things actually white and everything else look natural. So how about auto white balance? It's okay, but it guesses, and in tricky light like sunset or indoors, it often gets it wrong. So here's how you can take control. Use presets like daylight or shade, they're quick and easy. Or switch to Kelvin mode and you can dial in the exact warmth or coolness you want. And if you want total accuracy, use a custom white balance in combination with a grey card. And did you know white balance is creative? Warm it up for a cozy cafe vibe or cool it down for a moody drama. Same scene, totally different feel. Stop letting the camera guess, take control and make your colours pop. If you want to dive deeper and really master this, watch the full video, Understanding White Balance, Make Colours Pop Every Time, here on screen and link for you down below. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.